These pictures are proof that makeup makes a huge difference in the way that your hooded eyes look. This was me at 23. I'm almost 37 now. I feel like my eyes don't look quite as hooded as they did in that picture.
One of the biggest changes I've made is my brow. So I like to fill it in with a soft pencil now and then go back with this brow pen to add hair strokes where my brow does not grow. The old brow had heavier product and was more rounded. Recreating my old makeup, I kept dark shadow on the lid and did not blend it high enough. You can really see this at different angles that it doesn't give my eye any lift. In fact, it actually makes them look a little more hooded. With my new method, I'm trying to visualize that I am dividing the space that I have between my brow and my lid in half by doing 3 dots, one in the inner corner, one right under my crease, and one at the tail of my brow. If you have trouble getting a smooth blend, use a little setting powder on your brush to blend the edges. You can stop and keep it like this, or you can add a little bit more depth by applying a little bit of a darker shade in the outer corner in a greater than or less than sign. Sweep up the edges with a little foundation on your brush to create a little bit of a lift. Can you see the difference? My old way of eyeliner was a thick line that covered up almost all of my lid space and brought it all the way to the corner that it actually gave a drooping effect. New liner is thinner and kept close to the lash line so you can see what little lid space I do have. I do a little wing, but if you can't do one, that's okay. Use your brush with a little foundation on it to sweep up the edges of your eyeshadow to create a little lift.